I've got a jeweler in Santa Rosa when I
Like
bought
another
the
jewelry.
camera.
That's
You know. Oh wow. Yeah.
Right straight in front of us. It's soft on the top. Mostly tall.
I'd love to see one of those tall pieces let go. It's funny, you know, it's moving all the time. Look at how, you know, the further in we get, look at all the ice up.
Yeah.
There's another little piece, yeah. Wow. It looks so small, and yet those pieces they're huge. Look, there goes a big piece. Ooh. Oh, nice.
That was, look how spread out.
Yeah, yeah. That is just
Wow, that was a big chunk.
tremendous.
Did you? Maybe I'm wrong. I don't have that.
Oh.